when your legs don't work like they used to before.
Bevan Heights is one of those select neighborhoods in Niagara that's been revered by locals for years, and its community around its future is only making it more desirable.
Will your mouth still remember the taste
With its
of
unique
my love?
position sitting in the Carolinian forest of the escarpment,
Will your
St. David's
eyes still
Golf Course,
smile
a pitch
from your
away,
cheek?
and the Bruce Trail. And yet, you don't have to be an outdoor enthusiast to love it.
Loving you
Just ask Carl Vanderkoop.
was 70.
This location is so central to everything. Trendy micro pubs like Grist,
And baby, my heart could still fall
organic fruit market and seasonal yoga at Always June. Bevan Heights is a bike ride away to everywhere. And this particular ranch bungalow on a dead-end circle with a pie-shaped lot is something special.
mysterious way. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking now.
A fully renovated 2,000 square foot home with a fully finished basement
Right where we are.
and a pool.
When my
It has
hair's all
everything you're
gone
looking
and
for.
my memory fades.